Stonewall Police Department is going to be out in full force this weekend, monitoring all the roads and the weather throughout this weekend. We're urging all citizens that if they don't have to be out, to stay home. The roadways are getting dangerous. We'll be monitoring any flooding, closing down some roads. We've already closed a couple inside the city limits of Stonewall. I know the Sheriff's Department's out in full force. We'll be out in full force all weekend. We ask and urge all citizens to, if they will, please pay attention to the signs. If the road's closed, don't go around the barriers. We have other things that we're doing now to assist other citizens, and that just takes away from the opportunity for a citizen that needs us to have to go pull somebody out or rescue someone from a road that's being flooded and they've gotten stuck because they went around one of the barriers. So you're going to see road closed signs, you're going to see water over road signs. Just pay attention to them, be smart about it, and if a citizen does need assistance, please don't hesitate to give us a call.
Chief, can you tell us what roads that are currently closed in Stonewall right now?
Well, I know Smith Road by the ball fields is closed right now. Water got over it early morning, so we've gone ahead and closed it. Basstown Road is now seeing water over it. We're not made the decision to close it just yet. Cool Springs Road now has some flooding over it as well.
And what kind of fine, just in case somebody does decide to cross a barrier?
Well, they could be cited for it. There's state law also that protects the roadways and other citizens from people going through roads that are flooded and them trying to cross over. There's state statute that discusses that as well, covers it.
Thank you, Chief.
Yes, sir.